Next is how to create an effective primary text or yung sales copy ninyo. So, think of it, it's like a salesman na nakipag-usap dun sa mga client, but it is written. Kumbaga, binabasa ng ating mga potential clients yung ating sales copy. So, ito talaga yung, for me, ito talaga yung pinaka-effective na, kumbaga, pattern or yung parts ng isang effective na sales copy is first, yung first paragraph or first na i-highlight natin is yung problem. And then second is yung solution, and last but not the least yung call to action. So yung problem is be sure that this is something relatable dun sa mga target audience niyo, and it is intriguing and catchy. So dapat ni-research nyo talaga kung ano yung something na need or problem nung inyong target audience. For example, you're selling maroon soap. Kumbaga, ano ba yung problem nila? For example, yung pimples, yung acne, ganon, or make it something na makaka-relate sila, 'di ba? Yung for example, it could be yung problem niyo ay madami na ba kayong nasubukan na sabon but hindi pa nawawala yung inyong tigyawat. Something like that. And we found a solution for that, 'di ba? So it's something intriguing because yung target audience nyo nga is ma-entice na basahin kung ano ba yung solution na nakita ninyo. So second is pag yun nabanggit nyo na yung ano yung problem that is something relatable sa target audience natin is yung solution naman. So dito is ilalagay na natin yung benefits and features ng ating products. So for example, ano yung solution dun sa tigyawat, di ba? For example, you found a secret ingredient or herbal na plant that would really be effective na mawala yung mga tigyawat, something like that. And last but not the least is call to action. So ito na talaga yung last na ano nyo na pang-hook kumbaga doon sa inyong potential client na, uy, may promo kami or may limited offer lang to, 50% off, hanggang bukas lang to. Something like there's a scarcity or there's an urgency, kumbaga like this is just for 7 days valid na offer. That is a very effective na call to action. So, ganun lang, dapat malaman nyo is the problem, the solution, and the call to action. So ito for example is yung product niya is pet shampoo. And so first na ilalagay niyo dun sa ad copy ninyo or sa primary text niyo is yung problem. So kagaya nito is nangangamoy, nalalagas ang buhok, binabalakubak at kinukutob ang mga fur babies mo. Hanggang lahat ito with this special shampoo, di ba? It's very catchy and something relatable, especially doon sa may mga alagang pets nga na yon, kinukuto, binabalakubak yung kanilang mga fur babies. So second is yung banggitin natin, ano ba yung solution? So ito, Pet Essential Flea and Tick Shampoo contains natural essence which moisturizes and gently cleans. It has antifungal, antibacterial, and anti-itch. Diba? So, yun, may nakita kayo, kumbaga, yung ano ba yung ingredients ng shampoo ninyo. So, it contains natural essence daw, di ba? It's antifungal, antibacterial, and anti-itch, di ba? So, ito yung solusyon na hinahanap ng may mga fur babies or may mga pets that have this problem. Yun nga, yung mga kinukuto, ganun, binabalakubak. So, yun, you found a solution. So, banggitin niyo yun. Ano ba yung mga ingredients ng inyong shampoo? So last but not the least is the call to action. So lagay nyo dito, buy now and get 50% off. Diba may sense of urgency siya? So from 250, now 125 na lang. So that is the sample ng call to action. So madami pang iba. For example, yung nabanggit natin kanina, limited offer lang until 7 days. For example, until 3 days. So yun, buy now and grab this great opportunity. Something like that. So yun yung call to action natin. So ito yung example natin, yung paggawa ng isang sales copy. Banggitin nyo yung problem, solution, and the call to action. So, yun lang yung video natin for today. So, may part 2 pa tayo. Sa part 2, we will have yung actual naman na sample dun sa Facebook ads manager, kung ano ba yung mga settings na kailangan nyo malaman. So, yun. Thank you for watching and I'll see you sa next na video.